Hi friends, welcome to What's Cooking Coco. Hot Mess Coco here today, but that's okay. We're gonna make some dinner, and this one's gonna be a healthy one. This one's gonna be very low carb. So for keto people out there, this is a good one for you. Anybody that's doing a low carb diet, this is gonna be great. It's gonna be simple and easy, and we're gonna make it yummy. Okay, so first off, what we're gonna need and what we're gonna start off with is a spaghetti squash. We're just gonna go ahead and cut off both ends, just like that. Cut it right through the middle. All right, perfect, just like that. Then we're gonna take all the seeds out. Then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and scrape out all those seeds, okay? Just scrape out everything from the middle, just like that. Okay, so now that we've cleaned it out, all we're going to do is set it on a baking sheet. You can bake this in the oven, and we're gonna just go ahead and drizzle some olive oil on the inside, okay? Just like that, okay? And I'm not gonna do mine on a baking sheet in the oven. I'm actually gonna go ahead and use my air fryer, okay? And then hit it with some salt, okay? Just like that. Can't forget your pepper, okay? If you put it in the oven and let it cook, put it face down. I'm just gonna go ahead and massage it through so that way it's nice and moist. And I'm just gonna hit it down just like that, okay? Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put mine in the air fryer and I'm just gonna place it in there face down just like that, okay? And I'm going to cook mine for about, I'm gonna say 25 minutes on 400 degrees, okay? If you don't have an air fryer, that's totally fine. Put it in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay, so while our spaghetti squash is cooking in the oven, we're just gonna go ahead and make our filling. And I'm gonna put 1 pound of ground beef, okay? Just like that, we're just gonna go ahead and cook that down. Okay, and so while that is cooking, I just cut up some veggies, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and add some garlic, okay? Some onion, that was about 3 cloves of garlic and a half an onion, okay? Then we're gonna add some red and green bell pepper, okay, to that mixture. That's what we're gonna do, just like that. And we're just gonna continue to keep cooking that and browning everything up. Okay, now that we have our veggies in, we're just gonna go ahead and add some cumin. And we're gonna do about a, let's say a teaspoon of cumin, okay? Onion powder. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and let's do a tablespoon of onion powder, some garlic powder. We're gonna use a tablespoon of that as well, okay? Paprika, and about a tablespoon of that as well. So we're gonna do some cayenne pepper, okay? And I say put as much as you want. If you want a good spice level, just throw it in there. And then don't forget our salt and our pepper, okay? Just like that. Maybe a tablespoon of salt and some pepper, about a teaspoon of pepper, okay? And we're just gonna continue to keep mixing and cooking. Now that that's cooked down, we're just gonna go ahead and throw in 1 can of black beans. Add some cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, don't add it either. Okay. We're just gonna go ahead and taste it really quick to make sure that it has enough salt. It's hot. That's perfect. Okay, after we take it out, it should be done, and how we know it's done is because we're able to shred it. And that's why they call it spaghetti squash, because it literally looks like spaghetti. And so once you're done, get both sides, shred it up with a fork, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our topping. Okay, so now it's nicely shredded, and all we're going to do is scoop out our topping, okay? Just like this. We're just gonna place it all on top, okay? Just like that. Just gonna add some cheese to the top of that. Then we're gonna stick it back inside the oven, and we're gonna hit it for about 5 minutes on broil just to get that cheese nicely melted, because everything now is just cooked and we are looking good. It's like good to go. All right, so we're done and I'm excited. I'm just gonna go ahead and hit mine with a little bit of lime because, hey, Southwest style. We're gonna taste it, okay? I'm excited because it looks and smells so good. Whew, it is cheesy. If you don't wanna add the cheese either, you don't have to, okay? All right. Wow. Guys, this is so good and it's low carb and it has so much flavor. You guys have to try this, okay? Look at how piping hot it is. But I'm telling you, it's so yummy. Cooking, dinner, any type of food does not have to be boring. Just throw in a little bit of flavor. Make sure that it tastes good and you're set. All right, thank you guys so much for joining me in my kitchen today. I hope you guys make this dish, and if you do, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and comment, okay? Love you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Can I taste?